Oh, hello. Let's make your family some breakfast, shall we? All right, grab a loaf of your favorite French toast making bread. I'm using blueberry streusel bread. You can use whatever you want. Get a slice of your bread, toast it, butter it, and eat it. Now you're ready to go. Pick up your loaf, set it aside, get a 9x13 baking dish and a stick of butter. Melt it. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Get the tiniest whisk you have in your pocket and whisk this together. Then pour it on the bottom of your baking dish. Spread it out evenly and then bring that bread back in. Make a layer on the bottom and then get 6 eggs out of the shells. Of course, add 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And then get a slightly larger whisk from your pocket and just whisk this till it's beautifully combined, and then pour half of it on top of your bread like this. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on there before you add another layer of bread. Pour the rest of your egg mixture on top of that layer of bread. I like to push everything down to make sure